How to fix Facebook friend suggestion not showing problem. So if you are having trouble with Facebook friend suggestion not showing up, here are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the issues. First of all, launch the Facebook app on your mobile device. And you have to tap on the menu icon, which is represented by the three horizontal line. And you have to scroll down to the setting and privacy and tap on the setting. And ensure that your privacy settings aren't overly restrictive. So go to your privacy and make sure your account is not set to only me for the suggestion. Just go here and here you have to just go for the how people can find you, and here you have to go for the friend of friends or everyone. Also you can go for the so you can here you can see that who can Facebook suggest your profile based on your phone number or email address. Let's go for the friends of friends here. You have to set it here. So you can send your friend request. Let's go for the everyone. So with the help of the simple step, you can easily fix the Facebook friends suggestion here. Also, you can go and sync your friend list and contact. And you can also try this option too. You can go for your Play Store and search for the Facebook if there is any update available, and you can update your app. Here you can see the Facebook update. You have to update your app. So if there is any update available on your Facebook, you have to update your app, which can also solve the many issues. So on your Android device, you have to navigate to your Facebook app info here, and you can clear your cache from your Facebook here. So clearing cache can also help you to fix your problem. So you have to also go for the logout option, and you can enter your credentials to log back into your Facebook. So to fix the issues of your Facebook suggestion not showing up, you can check and adjust your privacy setting, ensure your app and browser up to date, and clear the cache and data, and you can log out and log back in. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily fix the Facebook suggestion not showing up. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.